Hey y'all, Dale Hickman with Dale's Marine Construction here on another project we just finished up. I've got plenty of videos of how we did this and what was here before, and it is a major transformation to the property line. I actually made it usable now where a guy can use his boathouse, and the seawall is protecting the property. Got to elevate it a little bit so it's not so marshy down here, but here's a quick sneak peek of it, and then I'll get some shots of how we put this thing together. If y'all hadn't subscribed to the channel yet, y'all please give me a subscription, give me a thumbs up and a like, and if you got any comments, leave me some comments there. Thanks, guys. We had a drain. I remember seeing a drain come through this wall right here, and now we're excavating the hole up, and we found an old PVC pipe way back in there that's all cracked up. So we're trying to get back to where there's no more cracks so we can connect onto it and run it back out through the seawall. That drain actually comes from the driveway. The drain's right down here. Also has a couple gutters hooked into it, so we'll cut a hole through the wall and seal it up and run it back out. Chasing this drain line over here, then all of a sudden something breaks through over here. Not sure what this is. Maybe that's the drain right there. You see the water pouring all out. So we have to excavate this, try to figure out where this water's coming from. Still chasing the pipe. Looks like we might have found it right here. Water pouring out of there. So just to be safe, we'll connect both these back up, run them through the wall. Got the drain line reconnected. 6-inch corrugated pipe. Got it through the wall now. He's feeding through the wall down there. Got connected. The other one didn't connect real good, so we used some filter cloth around the pipe because the pipe was already split. Got it all sealed up a little bit. Good production on the job. Got all 20 boathouse pilings set. We're getting the outside boathouse squared up right now. Got the inside one squared up. Got the lift bands going on. The roof bands going on. Dock is completed. You see all the material laid out there, ready to get up on our roof. It's going to be a big roof. Little cut station here all set up, nice and neat. I like how the guys got it all organized. Makes it safe, and then you know where all the tools are. Smiles, you getting comfortable up there?
Sir?
You getting comfortable now?
No.
No?
I'm ready to get down there anymore.
You ready to get down? Chase and his crew has done an excellent job on this big boathouse. Look at that thing, a big pyramid style roof with a hip style roof coming off on the back side. Of course the dogs are excited about us being here, but it's a double boat slip. We're getting plywood put on that thing Monday. We've got it sitting there on the dock with one of the boat lifts. We're waiting on a 20,000 pound lift to come in for the other side. Got the roof underlayment installed now. The guys are installing the boat lift. Put it to the boat ramp now to pick up the shingles, bring them back and drop them off, and start putting the shingles on the bar. Get close to getting this project here wrapped up. That's a nice sized boathouse. Double slips. It's got the boat lift delivered to the job site. Guys got the roof done, the shingles done. They knocked that out in a day, it looks like. 20,000 pound boat lift going in there. Already got the other one installed on the other side. Headed back to the other job now. Got Smile, that's the captain of the barge. You guys got all the shingles on the boathouse now. Looks like they got the 20,000 pound lift almost installed. Got the jet ski lift installed. And we will be wrapping this project up today. Waiting for electricians to come in on Monday and get it wired up. Got some really nice heavy duty bumpers on the outside. You can see we used the black bumpers and the white caps. Looks real good together. And of course we got our golden sea drive boat lift. This is a 20,000 pound boat lift. 4 motors on it, which allows you to be able to adjust the boat elevation front and the back for drainage. Does a real good job. Remote control on it also. You can see the hip style boathouse. It goes into a pyramid roof that covers the other boathouse on the other side, or boat lift on the other side. Very good detail construction by Chase and his crew here. Did an awesome job. Looks nice and clean. we like to get all of our rafters up really high in the boathouse. That enables you to lift your boat as high as possible. People got these big, tall radars and everything on top of it and covers. Gives you a little extra room to raise the boat and keep it protected from the sun. Around on the other side over here, you see we got a 14-inch step down for low water operations. Comes over to another 10,000 pound boat lift over on this side. Left a couple large poles up. These are actually 8-inch 30-foot poles on the outside of the platform here. For some slide moors we'll be installing on here for mooring the boat during storms. A jet ski lift over here. And one more shot inside the roof. I think the detail work in the top of this pyramid turned out looking really good. Did a good job on it. And you see all the collar ties on the top are bolted also. Shot of the completed seawall, a nice set of stairs for getting in and out of the water, or a good walkway for the dogs if they like to swim. Project turned out really good. If y'all are interested in Dales Marine in this local area here of Gulf Breeze, Pensacola, Perdido Key, give us a call. The office will get you on a schedule. Call us at 850-934-6360 or email us, docs@dalesmarine. If y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, please give us a subscribe. Thumbs up really helps me out with the YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Hey y'all, if you hadn't hit the subscribe button or the like button, please do so if you like the channel. And if you don't mind, share it. I appreciate that. It really helps my YouTube channel grow.